Hello everyone, you're welcome to All Math with Faye. This is a series where we solve JAMB past questions following the JAMB syllabus. We have made 3 videos where we solve 3 questions in number base from the JAMB past questions. If you are yet to see that video, I recommend you visit our channel and check them out. Today we're moving to the second broad topic in the JAMB syllabus, which is fraction, decimal, approximation, and percentage. So we're moving to fraction. Today we have 3 over 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 3. Then everything to be divided by 11 over 15 multiplied by 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 27. This is a question that was picked from 2001 JAMB past question. Now, fraction ought to be a walkover for you when it comes before you in your JAMB exam, because many of us have been solving fraction right from primary school. Okay? However, you still have to pay attention to it and make sure you solve it carefully so you will not pick the wrong answer. So let's do this. Now, to do this, when you have mixed fraction in your question, the first thing you should do is to take it to improper fraction. So to start with, we've taken this to improper fraction. So take this to improper fraction. That's 3 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 2, 11. So that should be 11 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6, multiplied by 2 over 3, all divided by 11 over 15, multiplied by 3 over 4, multiplied by 2 over 27. As I said, many of us have been solving fractions right from primary school, so I'm going to be fast with this. For this numerator part, the upper part, you're going to look at these fractions carefully. Dealing with this numerator first, you're going to look at it. Is there a number that can divide a number up and down? Remember, it should be what? Up and down, not left and right. Okay? It should be up and down. Now, this is what I'm saying. 2 can be divided by 2, up, and 6 can also be divided by 2, down. Right? Up, down. So this divided by 2, that's 1. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Despite the fact that we have 3 here, you cannot divide. As I said, it should be what? Up and down. So for that numerator part, we are left with 11 times 5 times 1, which is what? 55. And for the numerator, we are left with 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Over, which is this one. That is what I've transferred to this place. So let's come to this denominator part. Remember, it is what? Up and down. So 3 can be divided by 3, 1, and 50 can be divided by 3, 5 times. Also, 2 can be divided by 2, 1, and 4 can be divided by 2, 2 times. Remember, it is up there. So for the upper part, we are left with what? 11 times 1 times 1, which is what? 11 over 5 times 2 times 27. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 27, that's 270. So in recess, we are left with 55 over 27 divided by 11 over 270. Now, I'm going to quickly remind you a rule when you are dividing 2 fractions. When you are dividing 2 fractions, the division sign changes to multiplication, while the divider will do a turn upside down. Are we together? Remember, this is not the one you're turning upside down. The one that is to be the divider. You get me right? The divider will turn upside down. So we should be having 55 over 27. Now change it to multiplication, and this one is going upside down, 11. Now we're back to our rule of what? Up and down. So 55 can be divided by 11 5 times. 11 can also be divided by 11. That's 1 time. So 11 divided by 11, 1. 55 divided by 11, 5 times. Of course, this is obvious. 27 divided by 27, 1. 270 divided by 27, 10 times. So we are left with 5 times 10, which is 50, over 5 times 1, which is 1. And the answer is what? 50. Let me give you another fraction past question to practice with. So for our task, we have 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 1 over 2, all divided by 4 number 4/5. Remember, the first thing you do is to change all this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then you simplify the upper one, and you bring in the division. Remember, when you want to turn the division to multiplication, the divider will turn upside down. If you work this carefully, you should arrive at 5/6. I want you to play with this and practice other fraction questions in your JAMB series. See you in our next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing our other videos as they come up. Bye.